Then sum of first 5 term means it is denoted by S5 and 1 by 4. Sum of next 5 terms means 6 to 10 means अगर अपन इस रिजल्ट को क्या करें S10 means sum of first to 10, sum of first to 10 में से sum of 5 निकाल दें, sum of 5 first 5 तो क्या हो जाएगा नेक्स्ट 5 टर्म, ऐसा भी लिख सकते हैं। इस 4 को अगर इधर लें 4S5 इक्वल्स टू S10 माइनस S5, सो इधर लेकर आ जाए इसको तो 5S5 इक्वल्स टू S10, solve this 5 sum of 5 terms means 5 by 2 2a means 2a सपोज कर लिया प्लस n minus 1 means 5 minus 1 means 4d equals to here 10 by 2 sum of 10 2a plus 9d. Then solve this 5 25 by 2 and here 2 into a means 2 plus 4d and it is equals to 10 by 2 means 5, so here 2 into 2 plus 9d, so here 25 by 2 4 plus 4d equals to 5 4 plus 9d, so 5 and here 5 and 2 का ट्रांस करके 5 4 जा 20 plus 20d equals to here 2 means 10 10 4 जा 40 plus 10 9 जा 90, 10 ये 10 and 10 9 जा नहीं सॉरी ये तो कैंसिल हो गया, 5 इधर से 5 से कैंसिल कर चुके तो 5 हो गया, तो 2 का अगर यूज कर रहे हैं सर ये कैंसिल, तो इस 2 को मल्टीप्लाई किया तो 8 प्लस 9 2 जा 18d, सो हियर 20d minus 18d equals to 8 minus 20, so here 2d equals to minus 12, so d equals to minus 6, then d भी मिल गया a भी मिल गया, then so that 20th term means a20 equals to a plus 20 minus 1 into d, so a20 equals to a means 2 plus 19 and d equals to minus 6, so it is equals to 2 plus 9 6 ja 54 and 6 1 ja 6 and 5 11 with minus sign, so it is equals to minus 1 1 2, it is a a20 means 20th term is 1 1 2, so hence proof so that 20th term is minus 1 1 2. Here next question, in an AP pH term is 1 by q and QH term is 1 by p, then prove that the sum of PQ terms is 1 by 2 PQ plus 1 where P not equals to Q. Okay, here let first term be A and common difference be D, then according to question TP pH term equals to 1 by Q, it means pH term इसके अकॉर्डिंग a plus p minus 1 into d equals to 1 by q, and second one is QH term, 1 by p. It means a plus q minus 1 into d equals to 1 by p. Suppose this one equation first, this one equation second. Normally अगर हम solve करते हैं, this one minus minus minus, this one cancel. Here p minus 1 minus q minus 1 and d common area equals to here 1 by q minus 1 by p. So here p minus 1 minus q plus 1, so p minus q into d equals to here p minus q upon pq. So this one cancel, so d equals to 1 upon pq. From first equation, a plus p minus 1 into d means 1 upon pq equals to 1 upon q. Solve this. So a plus p upon pq minus 1 upon pq equals to 1 upon q. It is a q. So here p and p cancel. So 1 plus 1 upon q minus 1 upon pq equals to 1 upon q. 1 upon q, 1 upon q cancel. So a equals to 1 upon pq. So here a is 1 upon pq and d is also 1 upon pq. Then next part, prove that sum of first pq term. Then sum of first pq term, sum of pq term is spq equals to pq by 2 and 2a plus pq minus 1 into d according to formula. So pq upon 2 and here a means 2 times of 1 upon pq plus pq minus 1 into 1 upon pq and solve this. Pq upon 2, here 2 upon pq plus pq into 1 upon pq becomes 1 minus 1 upon pq. So 2 upon pq minus 1 upon pq, it means pq upon 2 and here 1 upon pq plus 1. So last line pq upon 2 into taking LCM, so 1 plus pq upon pq. So pq and pq cancel and here remaining part is 1 plus pq divided by 2 or last line 1 upon 2 pq plus 1. It is a answer, means sum of the first pq term is 1 upon 2 pq plus 1. Here next question, if the sum of n term of an AP is this 3n square plus 5n and its mth term, mth term is 164, then find the value of m. Here given sum of n term means Sn equals to 3n square plus 5n, ये given. इस क्वेश्चन से और also given mth term Tm equals to 164, mth term is, then find the value of m. अगर mth term से find तो a और d की जरूरत पड़ेगी हमें, तभी सॉल्व हो सकता है. अब इस केस में sum of n term, in this case suppose sum of one term, n equals to 1 means sum of one term It means first term. Sum of one term means first term. So it means S1 equals to A equals to, suppose in place of n हमने 3 into 1 square plus 5 into 1, so it is equal to 3 plus 5, so it is equals to 8. So first term is 8, and if you take n equals to 2, so sum of two term, it means t1 plus t2, ऐसा भी सोच सकते हैं अपन, टू टर्म का सम है, तो ये कितना हो जाएगा, अगर टू टर्म के सम की बात कर रहे हैं तो 3, so it is equals to s2, so 3 into 2 square plus 5 into 2, so 4 3 is 12, 4 3 is 12 plus 10, so it is equals to 22. It is sum of two term. So D means what? अगर सेकेंड टर्म की बात करें तो S2 कितना गिवन अपने पास 22 हो गया, T1 ऑलरेडी गिवन है, T1 मींस फर्स्ट टर्म, इट इज आल्सो T1 और इट इज आल्सो S1, तो T1 गिवन मींस इस केस में क्या मिल रहा, T1 plus T2 equals to 22 and T1 is 8, so 8 plus T2 equals to 22, so T2 equals to 22 minus 8, so T2 equals to 14 plus 8 22, ये 14 हो गया. Then D equals to T2 minus T1, so T2 equals to 14 and T1 equals to 8, so 14 minus 8, so it is equals to 6. 14 minus 8, 14 में से 8 माइनस हुआ तो क्या हो गया 6, मीन्स D 6 मिल गया. अब लास्ट लाइन Tm equals to 164, so Tm means A plus m minus 1 into D equals to 164, so A is here, A is 8 plus m minus 1 and D is 6 equals to 164, so 8 6m minus 6 and plus 8 equals to 164, so 8 minus 6, 6m plus 2 equals to 164, so 6m equals to minus 2 तो 162, so m equals to 162 divided by 6, so 6 2 is 12, 6 2 is 12, then 4, then 7 6 is 42, so m equals to 27 is answer.